Hello everyone, I am Omar Abdul Jawad, and this is the second episode of Road to $5,000 inshallah. So this episode I'll get you multiple trades that I will be doing and give you my analysis on them, and inshallah they go to profit. So we start off with Euro USD. It is on the 2 hour time frame. So I looked at the chart. What my analysis was is that the market came up, tapped this resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? So I'm anticipating that once it comes back to this spot, it's gonna go down to this demand zone right here. That's what I anticipate. Or maybe gonna go down to this demand zone, right? So now we joined the trade. I'm in the trade with this short position. Stop loss placed right here. Take profit placed to the lowest point the market has reached. And we're just waiting for the next move. So far the market is going through my profit. It's going the way I imagined it to, because I joined the trade here and I anticipated the market will continue going down, and that's exactly what the market has been doing for the past 30 minutes. So alhamdulillah, this is the first trade, and I'll come back to you guys in the second trade. See you guys later. So now the second market I've looked at, or the second currency pair, is the New Zealand dollar with the US dollar, NZD/USD. Also on the 2 hour time frame. So I've noticed there's this area of interest right here, the support level, because whenever the market would go down, it would reject at least 3 different times, which is quite obvious right over here, quite noticeable. So what I have done is I still haven't entered the trade, but I'm waiting for the market to come back to this area, go through its liquidity phase. Once that is done, I'll go for a long position. I'll probably place the stop loss below the area of support, like give it some breathing room in case the market goes for a fake out or whatever you want to call it. You give it to like some breathing room, and the take profit will be to the highest point the market has reached, which is around here if you look at the relative to other markets. That is simply the analysis. I'm waiting for NZD/USD to sort of come back to the support area, and then for it to go for a reversal. I won't go for this trade unless I see a confirmation signal that the market will continue for an uptrend, whether that could be a bullish engulfing or a doji or any sort of signal, any sort of candlestick to prove that the market will continue for an uptrend or signify a potential reversal. We wait for the market to come back to this support level. Once that is done, we'll find some signals, and then once that is done, we can go for the trade. Now here we also have another, or the third currency pair I went for, which is gold, related to the US dollar. We can notice right here an area of support that has indeed been broken. It broke the level of support. So now the market, since it has broken an area of interest, it has two options. Either we will go back to the area of interest, bounce off and continue down, or go back to the area of interest and break the structure and continue back up. That is all going to be determined based on the market's next move. I'll wait for the market to reveal what it can possibly do. Like we can even go to a 30-minute time frame to look at some more narrow analysis, which we can notice that there are some uptrend movements recorded. 15 minutes is also some uptrend movement recorded, for the market is inevitably going to go back up to that area of support to either bounce or break off that area, and based on that we will take the trade, whether they could be in a short position or a long position. All right, see you guys later. And that was the second episode for Road to $5,000, where we combined 3 different trades. And inshallah, once my analysis is done, I will show you guys how the trades have went by the end of this episode. Stay tuned for more. See you guys later. Bye bye.